Now what will this AI do? The AI will do the right thing. Right thing? What do you mean by right thing? You remember in our first lecture we were talking something about rationality. Slowly and slowly we will now visit this concept of rationality. Let us understand what is this concept of right thing is. How does the intelligent agent decide what action should it take based on certain percept or percept sequence? Percept sequence means a sequence of percepts from history to the present time. If it has stored all the percept, then it's called a percept sequence. Then what is the right thing? What do we mean the right thing? It's very common sense. What is the right thing? I'll tell you. Let us visit. My intelligent agent wants to do the right thing. What does this right thing depend upon? This right thing depends upon, arrow should be in the opposite direction, some performance measure. If by doing something the performance measure of my agent is increasing or going up, then I am doing the right thing. Then my next question is, what is a performance measure? The performance measure is again a measure which characterizes how successful an agent is. The more the successful an agent is, the greater its performance measure. The more the performance measure, I can tell you that the agent is doing the right thing based on the present percept. So now the question is coming upon, what do I mean by success? Now success can be measured in different ways, and for different types of agents the concept of success can be different. For example, if my intelligent agent is the automated vacuum cleaner, I think you have heard of the name Roomba. It is a robotic vacuum cleaner. What can be the metrics that can tell you the success of Roomba? It can tell you, we can see the efficiency, whether it is actually cleaning the room well, quantitatively the ppm of the cleanliness of the room in ppm dust and all those things. The speed of the agent, how fast it is cleaning a room. Then although at the same time it is doing efficient work or accurate work, it is cleaning the room very well, it is cleaning the room very fast, but at the same time, is it using its power or battery optimally? It should do that, na? Otherwise I will have to charge it frequently. So if these three things are taken care of well by Roomba, I will say that it is a successful agent. It is doing its actions successfully. So now we have got a concept that for different types of agents, there can be, on the basis of efficiency of the agent, speed of the agent, accuracy or quality of solutions achieved by the agent, etc., I can find out whether the agent is successful in its task. Based on that, I can make a metric out of it which will give me a performance measure combining those things. And by seeing the performance measure, I can determine whether the agent is doing the right thing or not. Here, now that we have come at this point, we will introduce the concept of rationality. What is rationality? First, rationality is that action that will maximize the expected value of my performance